We climbed down from our cage, did we?
It's a tie.
Between
All of you.
we're all fire?
None of you are fired.
I was gonna eat my remote. See what he does with the bowl. Oh, it's my bowl. It's my bowl of cereal. Oh, pull it. Oh, the bowl of cereal is in my hand. And then he just helps himself like a little bitch.
Right. By not letting anyone
You're a little thief.
you made 6 people happy and 1 person
Thief.
happy and rich.
Thief.
Chase won every one of those bets.
Emo thief.
You're just really nice.
Who was banging their head on their cage earlier? Did I say no cereal because you bit Anthony?
How bad do you want to keep your job? I'll keep my mouth shut.
Cat in the background. Blue.
Hey,
Quit it.
you
You're gonna get me wet.
Don't you? I think I do.
Just help yourself. It's all yours. All the cereal.
Excited about themselves from a big salesman.
It's all yours. I poured the bowl just for you.
People don't learn, they don't change. You did. You're a freak.
Can I have my bowl of cereal?
How is it that Dr.
Thank you. Oh, I can't. That's rude.
He has problems with authority.
God, you're such a demanding little bird. Hey, I'll fight you. I will. Give it. It's my bowl.
And now he does it every single week now.
Oh, you're gonna put your foot on it.
I'm fabulous. Golden Globe winner.
I'm not gonna let you drink as much as you want. You're gonna give yourself the run.
That's some bad.
Okay. Time to go. Nope, bowl's mine. No, the bowl is mine. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Quit it. Learn to share. Nah, Nah, No! You're gonna let yourself be picked up by the bull, huh? God damn it. It's mine. TJ, what puppy say?
36 more hours.
Puppy says, I can have the bowl of cereal. I'll have the remote that you already jacked up. Do that to me. The bowl's going on the ground. What are you gonna do? That's mine. Quit it! There's not many buttons left! Stop it. Bad bird. Bad bird.